BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So after posting 2 videos last week about 2 new hidden features that were spotted in the latest dev channel build 25247 that rolled out last week, once again 2 more hidden features have been spotted in the same preview build. Once again by the Windows enthusiast Phantom Ocean 3, so quite a lot going on behind the scenes in that latest dev channel preview build. Now just to do a quick recap in case you're unaware, hidden features are not official features, and they are what we consider to be features that Microsoft are testing internally and could possibly roll out for official testing in up and coming preview builds, as Microsoft has been known to do and as I have posted on with some of these features previously. Now the first new hidden feature of 2 new hidden features that was spotted is regarding the startup apps page in the settings menu. So if we just head over to settings in Windows 11, apps and startup apps, this is where all the different apps are listed that run when you boot up your PC, as many of you will know, and I have actually posted a whole video on how to configure your startup apps, and I will leave a link to that in the description if that would be of interest. Now currently in the stable version of Windows 11, if I click on any of those startup apps that are listed in this menu and this list, nothing happens, as you can see. So nothing is happening when I'm clicking on those. Now if we just head over to that post uploaded to Twitter, here they say Microsoft is working on a neat improvement to the startup apps page in settings by letting you click on apps to either open the location they are installed to, which works with Win32 applications, or their details page installed apps with non-Win32 applications. Now just to demonstrate how this all works, if we just maximize this very short video that was uploaded, and I'm actually going to pause this video because it goes through the video quite quick, so you can just see a little bit better in the video. If I pause it there, here you'll see if we click on the Java Update Scheduler, which is a Win32 application as an example, that hidden feature is it actually opens the app location. So if you click on that Win32 app, it opens the location of that app. And then if you click on a non-Win32 application like Cortana, it'll actually take you over to the apps, the details page, where you can see the app permissions, the background app permissions, where you can configure that app to run in the background or not. And I actually have posted a whole video on turning background apps off in Windows 11, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. So just to go through that one more time in case you missed that. So if you click on a Win32 application, that hidden feature lets you see the actual app in its actual location. And then if you click on a non-Win32 application, it actually takes you to the details page of that installed app, which I actually think these might be 2 handy improvements if and when they do roll out for official testing. Now the second new feature spotted, if I just head over to a screenshot taken, in this we get a new shield overlay. So when you are connected to a VPN, here we can see there is a new shield overlay with that second hidden feature, a small shield overlay on the network icon to indicate that you are connected using a VPN. And apparently it will also respect your accent color that you have chosen in the personalization page for your operating system. So it also respects the accent color. So that's when it's enabled. And if we just head to the next screenshot, and obviously that's when it's disabled. So when you are connected using a VPN, there could soon be a small shield overlay on the network icon that indicates that you are connected using a VPN. Now apparently this is working only if you connect to a VPN from the quick setting or the network and internet VPN page in settings currently as a hidden feature. So those are the 2 brand new hidden features spotted by Phantom Ocean 3. As mentioned, a couple of improvements could be coming to the startup apps, and then obviously that little badge over the network indicator showing you are connected using a VPN. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.